problem says to set up an equation to solve for x. And if you notice, you're given a rectangle with a length of 4x and a width of x minus 6. And the perimeter, it tells you, is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Remember, perimeter is the distance going around the outside. And if the left side is 4x, the right side is 4x. If the bottom is x minus 6, the top is x minus 6. So there are 2 lengths and there are 2 widths in the perimeter. So let's apply the formula here, and let's substitute in the information. So they tell you the perimeter is 48. So I can put in place of perimeter, the word, I can put in 48. 2 times the length. Well, let's label our sides. Let's call this our length and this our width. So I can have 2 times the length, which is 4x, plus 2 times the width, which is x minus 6. So this would be the equation you would use to solve this problem.